So Beat the Drum is about Musa, who is a young boy who recently orphaned when he was 9 years old because both his parents and both his mom and his dad died from AIDS, and he is from a small African village that has been destroyed by an unknown disease, which what we know is AIDS. Seeking answers and help for his grandmother and village, Musa embarks on a journey to Johannesburg to find his uncle, who can hopefully aid the village in its ravaged state. Carrying with him only a tribal drum, a gift from his father, and Musa breaks the trek alone to the impossible metropolis where he learns many important life lessons. The social issues in this film include the poor living conditions and the overwhelming appearance of AIDS. At the beginning of the film, the town Musa is in is ridden with AIDS, and his mother has already died, and his father also dies. He gives him a drum, which he says is for his ancestors to be in harmony, but he asks him to carry the drum with him to give him hope. Musa's cow is then killed, and he is off to the city of Johannesburg to find money and to get money for a new cow. This picture shows Musa when he started to clean cars for a couple of coins, but when this man drives up to him, he rolls up his window because he thinks that he is just a street kid and looking for trouble, when in reality he is looking for work and money. Also, this man, his son is dying from AIDS, and he does not realize it at the time. That's why he is in such a bad mood. This article just goes over some of the reviews that people on Amazon who ordered the movie, the reviews that they talked about during their film. And it's very interesting to look at some of the reviews because they're all different and all have different point of views on this film. I thought that the use of non-famous actors was really cool because it made me stand out to me that this movie is more real than it actually is. Because if I'm watching a movie and it's someone like Mark Wahlberg, I would not be able to think that it was a very real movie because I know he's just an actor. Some of the camera work also that was in this film was very positive because I think that it portrayed a positive image on this little boy's life when he was alone, and it made you feel like you were there, and it made you feel sad because you were in the middle of this problem that Musa was in. This is the trailer, and it was very interesting because it showed the hardships that he faces in his journey to find his uncle. Also, it shows the bad sides of things in Africa and how AIDS is affecting their lives in a very negative way, in ways that they cannot fix. This website gives you a summary of the movie and even goes into detail about some of the struggles that these people in the villages live. And it's basically their everyday lives that they're facing AIDS and all these tough hardships. This image is also very strong because it pictures Musa on his journey to find out what is killing his village. And he has become orphaned, so he's on his way to go find his uncle. It is very hard for someone to go on a journey in Africa at such a young age as him, because all he did was just hitchhike into a random car, and you never know what's going to happen when you hitchhike a random car. The person could be dangerous or anything. This website just goes over the review of Beat the Drum. The culture is also very harsh in this film, and it's hard to think that it's actually happening because it is so rough. The living conditions are so terrible, and the conditions in which the families live is very hard because every member works for their money, including children, at such a young age. This image right here is very touching. I'll go over it in this. The end of the movie was laid out and portrayed perfectly, in my opinion. When Musa found out that his uncle was shot and killed, even though they talked about him dying at the beginning of the movie, was well scripted and well portrayed. It did not seem to go his way the whole time until the end of the movie when he found out his grandmother, who was a shelter for children who do not have a home. I also liked how the director included a line about how the man talked about having a son and wanting him to be just like Musa because it showed character development between them two. He also ended up finding his friend, which was a sign of relief because just watching the film without knowing about some of the struggles that the people face in their daily lives, it was cool to see them come together and be reunited. This picture shows him giving her back her bracelet that she lost when he thought she had died, and the line "It is a brand new day" really hit me hard because it was very emotional to me, and I thought that this was a great movie. I highly suggest you guys watch it. Thank you.